Take one. Hello, stellar people, and as part 3 of the anatomy primer, we did it. We actually did it. 15 pages of anatomical delights. All in here. Oh yes. So we're gonna switch cams and we're gonna check this out. I keep snapping and popping and whatnot. I need to work on that. But let's take a look. Okay, so here we have the anatomy primer, which is based off of, well, handouts, books, and internet stuff, whatever I could find. And this is the final product. But first, let's put this back in. Okay. To make it official, right? Because we need to keep the papers all together. All together now. All together now. Okay. See that about there. Let's do this about here. And so now all the papers are together. But yeah. This will be a great help to me, because if I have it in order, much like this was the template, right? So I had the skeleton front, back, with some skulls, torso, front, torso, back, arms, back, well, front, back, some hands, some hips, front, back, legs, leg side, maybe a bent leg, if I can say that correctly, and feet, front, back, and a side view. And so it was supposed to come out to 15 pages, and I achieved that goal. 15 pages it is. So yeah, if everything is correctly done, as I front cover, which is full skeleton, a lovely skeleton, and then you have the skeleton with the skull, front and side, skull, back, front, side, well, and the back of the skeleton. And then we have the torso front, torso with a bit of a quarter turn, and the side, back, side again, and the scapula, which is here. And we got the arms front. We have the bent arm. We have the back, and the back bent, and the bone. So this here is here. This is here. So, you know, you could see it within. If you know, like an x-ray, you could look through it. Hands, hand studies. A lot of stuff that I either modeled my own hand, or I drew from the internet and whatnot. Another page of hands, because hands are very varying, different shapes and whatnot. We have the hips front. We have the pelvic bone attached to the spine and all that. And we have the muscles. Have the hips back. It's for the gluteus maximus and the side. Yeah. The leg, upper, lower, kneecap. And so, you know, you can see the breakdown. And the knee bent. Side view, the lower underneath these muscles. So, you know, just kneecap again, but now we have the back view, so this would be flipped. But just like it. And feet. Front view of the feet, the simplified version. The skeleton from the side. And back view of the feet. So the heel. And then I just put a collage of some feet drawings to spice it up because it was relatively uninteresting. You know, it's the heel. It's not like, you know, you see the heel a lot and it's relatively simple. Yes, that is it. My anatomy primer. Perfect. So yeah, everything from here is fully executed on this. And this should help me so that I don't have to look at, you know, how to draw human figures, the drawing manual, we got the bridge man, and we have anatomy for the artist. So, you know, trying to find, like, okay, I want to draw this elbow, and what are the bones of the elbow? What are the muscles of the elbow? So I'm not, you know, struggling so hard, and then I have to look through all these books, and you're like, okay, that's not quite the you know, the angle I want. So I think it's just easier for me to make a primer so that I can, you know, just for a quick refresher. You know, nothing crazy, but I like, it's like a visual cheat sheet, you know. Like if you want to take a quick look at the skeleton, you go, okay, that's a skeleton, good. And then you know, you go about your drawing so that you're not spending extra time, you know, looking for whatever it is you're looking for. But these are the original files. So these are all the images that eventually made its way into some feet and some more hands, and but yeah, this is all the originals. I'll keep these together, yeah, just because I like to keep stuff, and I might get other ideas about making how I can improve. Like if we need to make another one, I should probably make one every year as a refresher. But yeah. So yeah, that's mission complete. You know, it feels so good to have a plan, make a plan, and then execute on said plan. It's always a good feeling. I think I deserve an ice cream sandwich. Hard work. But I hope you have enjoyed these 3 videos. And this should, you know, this concludes that. My anatomy primer. feels so good. So good. And I'm about to get weird now. So, until next time, shining stars, follow and carry out your dreams. Even if it is just a small a small anatomy primer. But I will see you in the next video. So take care. Keep shining. Later.